Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to replace Chrysler 300 windshield wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades, a small flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth. Make sure your vehicle is parked safely with the ignition off. Now, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into position. This prevents the arm from snapping back unexpectedly. Next, it's time to remove the old blade. Look closely at where the blade connects to the arm. You'll find a small release tab or button. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade straight off the hook on the arm. Be very careful to keep a firm grip on the wiper arm so it doesn't accidentally spring back and crack your windshield. Now, let's install your new wiper blade. Take your new blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Once the new blade is attached, gently lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield surface. Repeat this process for the other side. With both new blades installed, it's crucial to test them. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield wipers, using some washer fluid to ensure they clear the glass effectively and smoothly. This confirms they are properly seated and working. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you hydrated and prepared on the road. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.